In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how any executable can prevent the installation of proxy software that will allow me to bypass a web filter that we have in place here at Phoronix. We use the web filters to prevent browsing to sites such as Facebook or MySpace, social media sites that tend to impact the productivity here at Phoronix. So one thing that Phoronix doesn't prevent me from doing is bringing in USB drives with software that I may have downloaded at home. And in this case, I'm going to utilize a tool called UltraSurf, which is basically a proxy software that will allow me to bypass the protection that our web filter provides. So I launch UltraSurf, and now, of course, with UltraSurf active, you can see that I'm able to browse to the Facebook website. And this would be the case for any other site that's blocked by our web filter. I'm just going to disable UltraSurf, and we'll see again that my web filtering software prevents us again from visiting Facebook. And what I'm going to do now is enable any executable, enter the password, administrator password for any executable, and we'll see exactly what any executable can do to help an organization prevent the installation of software such as UltraSurf. We'll see the only option I have here with the any executable dialog box is to acknowledge that any executable has blocked the installation of UltraSurf. We will see, of course, as UltraSurf has not been installed, that I am still not able to browse to Facebook. The web filtering software that we have in place has not been able to be circumvented.